Hello students, now let us see the problem number 2. This is also in-text problem from the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Student, this is the super important question, super important, for the board point of view and for the competitive point of view. This is the good question, student. So what question? Why is sulfuric acid not used during the reaction of alcohol with Ki, right? So first of all, we have to understand what is the role of Ki, student. So alcohol is there, student. Suppose we are having the alcohol, if you talk about the preparation. So suppose alcohol is there, student. So what alcohol do, student? What this Ki do? Firstly, Ki react with H3PO4. Okay, H3PO4. This is 95% concentrated. So it will give, student, it will give, that is, it will give, that is K3PO4. Okay, plus Hi, it will give Hi. This Hi, what does it do, student? React with the alcohol ROH. So what it is forming, student? It will forming Ri plus water. Okay. So what is forming? It is role is alkyl halide. It is forming what, student? Alkyl halide. When it is forming alkyl halide, student, when the H3PO4 you are using, when you are using the H3PO4. Okay. Now, student, now what is happening? They are saying, that is, in this question, what they are saying, why sulfuric acid is not during the reaction. Up now H2SO4 does not used, does not used, during the reaction, during the reaction between what, student? During the reaction between alcohols and Ki, okay, they are alcohols and Ki. You are not going to use the sulfuric acid between the alcohols and Ki. Why? Reason: H2SO4 is there, student. It is oxidizing agent. It is the oxidizing agent. I am explaining in the very good way, student. This is the oxidizing agent. And what it will do? It oxidizes. What, student? It oxidizes. It oxidizes Hi, okay, Hi into I2, So no Hi available. For reaction. No Hi available for reaction to form what, student? Alkyl iodide, to form Ri. So how the reaction is taking place, actually, that is also we have to understand, student, how the reaction is taking place. If you talk about this one, student, so what that is, the Ki, if you are taking and it is reacting with H2SO4, so it will form KHSO4, student, plus 2Hi. This Hi is there, no need to write 2Hi, this is Hi. This Hi again react with H2SO4, student, and it will give, that is, I2, plus it will give water molecule H2O plus SO2. अब this I2 will not be able to react with alcohol. This I2 does not react with alcohol to form what, student? To form Ri. So that is why we don't use the sulfuric acid, student, because it utilize the Hi to the I2. So this is our answer, student. That is, you try to understand, student. Hi is used for the preparation of alkyl iodide, alkyl iodide or alkyl halide, you are saying. Better you should write, student, alkyl iodide. But when you are using H2SO4, student, when you are using H2SO4, alkyl iodide, whatever the Hi is there, is oxidized into I2. So no Hi is there, so no reaction is possible, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.